Welcome to our video on boosting your vision through superfoods. Did you know that what you eat can directly impact the health of your eyes? Today, we'll be sharing the top 9 superfoods that are great for your eyes. So let's get started. First up, we have carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in your body. Vitamin A is essential for good vision and preventing night blindness. Next, we have spinach. This leafy green is packed with antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which can help protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of developing cataracts. Blueberries are next on our list. These juicy fruits are loaded with anthocyanins, which have been shown to support healthy blood vessels in the eyes and improve overall eye health. Moving along, we have salmon. This fatty fish is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce the risk of dry eyes and age-related macular degeneration. Oranges are not only a delicious snack but also a great source of vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant helps strengthen the blood vessels in your eyes and lowers the risk of cataracts. Don't forget about eggs. They contain essential nutrients like vitamin E, zinc, and zeaxanthin. These components can help protect against macular degeneration and maintain healthy eyes. Now let's talk about almonds. These nuts are rich in vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which have been linked to reducing the risk of age-related eye diseases. Broccoli is another superfood that can benefit your eyes. It is packed with antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin, which can protect your eyes from damage caused by harmful blue light. Finally, we have turkey. This lean meat is not only delicious but also a great source of zinc and niacin, which can help lower the risk of cataracts. That's it for our top 9 superfoods for healthy eyes. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet can greatly improve your vision and overall eye health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.